Number 19, Alexei Joseph. Number 21, Matthew Blair. Number 22, William Aguirre. Number 28, Alexei Kuche. Number 43, Ian Beveridge. Number 44, Elliot Dubé. And now your captains this evening. Alternate captain number 24, Jacob Boyer. Alternate captain number 81, Angelo Forte.
Yeah!
Alternate captain number 33, Nathan Etier. And the captain of your Seahawks, number 86, Olivier Groux. Please welcome your 2025-2026 St. John Seahawks. And now, fans, please welcome tonight's Irving Oil's seventh player, William Football McDermott, and their favorite player, number 30, Justin Robinson. Fans, 20 years ago, after a 29-month break from hockey and TV station, a CHL franchise was awarded to St. John. On September 16, 2005, the Seahawks hit the ice for the first time. A new franchise